my channel. I am Joe Larson, your local Jacksonville realtor. Thank you guys so much for being with me today. This video is going to be pretty brief. Just wanted to share with you some opportunities actually some adventures really that my family and friends, we actually ended up enjoying some kayaking and stand-up paddleboarding. Florida has tons and tons to offer, and we try and take advantage of some of the benefits that Mother Nature offers, certainly within our state. And so most of it's really within driving distance. It's fairly inexpensive, it's quick to do, and they're fairly easy and simple. So wanted to share with you guys some of those videos as well as the photos. Shout out to Kayak Amelia as well as Guana Outpost for having us out. They were able to accommodate us, single riders, double riders, stand-up paddle boarders. It was quick, it was simple, it was fast, it was easy, as well as inexpensive. So shout out to those guys, and without further ado, enjoy some of these videos and photos. Some of those spots are pretty cool, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, those days were on two separate days. Towards one of the days it started to get kind of muggy, so we had to cut the trip kind of short, but we're definitely going to make it back out there. If you guys know of some other places in Florida that we can visit, we would love to visit it, vlog it, and share it to some of our audience members, and just let us know in the comments. And furthermore, if we can help you with some of your real estate needs, we're happy to answer any questions that you might have. So please don't hesitate to reach out to us. In the meantime, we'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.